What's up, y'all? So, today, we've got an issue. Not really an issue, just this is what we got. So, we've got the Scion. Since I got it, it's had a little bit of a smell. I think the previous owner had a pet or spilled a drink. Not sure what it was, but the smell won't go away. It's better, but it won't go away. Dirt, grease, oils, pets, smoking, all of that stuff will soak into your fabrics, your carpets, even your plastics. Good luck getting rid of the smells unless you know how to get rid of the smells. Even your glass, smoke, that stuff builds up a layer over all of your glass. That stinks. So this is what you need. Ozone machine. If you don't know anything about these, look them up. I'm not going to tell you. I will tell you they'll hurt you. When you got this thing running, you do not want to breathe it. You don't want to be around it. Whatever you're ozoning needs to be closed up away from you. So if you're doing it in a car, this company gives you a little thing to hang from the mirror so that everybody knows to stay out. But let me get this set up and let's see if it gets rid of the smell that's in the car. Okay, so these ozone machines will mess up, I know for sure, rubber bands. So because the speakers got this part, I suggest taking it out. The amplifier should be okay. We're gonna find out together. So this is what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to hang your sign. Okay, so I got the no entry sign on. Got the speaker out. So make sure all of your windows are closed. It has got a timer. This one's pretty simple. You're just going to, and then we're going to hit the power button. Get away. Shut the door. Make sure it is closed. Windows closed. If you start smelling it, you start feeling weird, unplug it, turn it off. Before you re-enter the vehicle, when it's after about an hour goes by, you're going to want to unplug it, open the doors, open the trunk, and let it vent as long as you can, but at least 30-40 minutes. They say 15 minutes. I'd be extra. So we'll be back shortly, and we'll see how it did. So we'll be back shortly. Alright, what's up, y'all? So it's been quite a while. Let's check on it. About an hour and a half. Whew. I can already smell a huge difference. Whew. So I'm gonna open this all up, let it air out for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Whew. Don't breathe it. And then I'm gonna stick my head in there and get a good whiff. I'm gonna hold my breath. All right. We will be back in about 15 minutes or so. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes or so. Wow. I honestly can't smell anything. I mean, the ozone smell kind of lingers for a little while. Wow. I'm not gonna go sniffing too much. Let it do its thing. I mean, it's pretty much done. Personally, I'd let it air out for like a full day. Windows open or something. But we'll check on it tomorrow, but I'd call that a success. That is a huge difference. So hope someone found the video useful. Catch you on the next one. Peace.